Before we start our last activity, I will need you to make sure that you read through all of this information on the second to last slide in the presentation. It just gives you a little bit of background information. When we move to this student handout 8, you're going to read about a man named Jeong Keon and what he was attempting to do, what he was attempting to find, what happened to him, was he successful, all of that great information. So this just gives you some more background information. Make sure that you read everything on this page. And then when he finally returns, he reports to his emperor. And so this is Jeong Keon reporting to his emperor the places he visited, the things that he saw, etc., etc. And then in this little excerpt, we have the emperor's thoughts. And so the emperor wanted Jeong Keon to go on another route or another mission. And so our final assignment for this lesson is for you to complete this raft assignment. So what you're going to do is you're going to pretend that you are Emperor Wu and you are writing from the emperor's point of view. So make sure you're thinking like an emperor. But you're going to be using the information that Jeong Keon brought back to you. Your audience is going to be Jeong Keon because he's the one you want to go. So you're going to be writing to this guy who just returned from a 13-year mission with valuable information. Now, you want him to brave another one, so make sure that you're being really persuasive. Format, a memorandum. So basically, it's just like a memo, which is meant to concisely communicate ideas because a memo is pretty short, right to the point. And then your tasks part of this is you're going to explain what you would like Jeong Keon to do on a proposed second mission. You'll need to use the information from above. You're also going to think about the different pieces of technology that you learned about in previous lessons. And then we're going to go over here. This is student handout 9. You are going to fill out the destination where you would like him to go. So when we go back to this document, he's talking about all the different places that he saw, but he didn't actually go to. And so you're going to pick one of these places that you would like Keon to go to and do some more exploring. And then your reason why you want him to go. And then you're going to send him with some Chinese items. Why do you think he should take them? So this is kind of where I'm thinking you want items that are going to be desirable items to trade. So what, like maybe silk could be something that you would include here. Some souvenirs, so some things that you want him to bring back, why you want them. And then we have a question about the route. And so why do you want him to take advantage of a new route? Once you have student handout 9 done, you can turn in all of your documents. Turn it all in and I'll get it all graded.